Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy stars on Facebook. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So if you're not aware of what stars are, you can actually use them for a number of things in Facebook. You can use them for things such as supporting creators, so you can buy stars as a way to show your appreciation for content. You can use them to get access to exclusive content, because some creators will offer exclusive content to their fans who send them stars. You can participate in special events, because creators host special events for their fans who send stars. You can stand out from a crowd when you send stars to a creator. And you can just have some fun. Some people simply enjoy sending stars to their favourite creators as a way to show their support and have fun. So how do we actually go about buying stars? So the first thing you want to do is just open up your Facebook app, or you can just head over to the website, and you just want to make sure you are actually logged in. So what you want to do from here is either go to the search bar or just find your favourite creator that you tend to watch a lot that you want to send some stars to. Now I'm just going to find a new creator by going on this left side menu here and just clicking see more, and then scrolling down to where it says gaming video right here. So when you click on this, you'll actually see a whole bunch of live streams, and you can actually find some new creators this way if you actually watch live streams on Facebook. So I'm just going to choose this guy, Rexzilla, and just head over to his page. And then from here, you either want to go into their live stream, or you can simply just go into one of their old videos. So let's just say I was going to watch this one here. I'll just stop that. And as you can see, this is an old live stream this guy's done. So in order to actually buy stars and give them to someone, you will actually have to go down to where the comment section is. So as you can see down here where the comments are, at the bottom there are actually 4 options. And this first one is indeed give stars. So you can also insert emojis and attach photos and stuff down here. But since we're trying to buy stars, we're going to click this give stars button. So from here, you can actually choose how many stars to give them. And another cool feature is they also have these kind of GIFs or emojis, whatever, which do cost a few more stars. However, this can be a really good way of sending a special message to someone. So it does actually go up to 50,000 stars, and the minimum for these is 500. Or you can send whatever amount you like with this, or the custom amount here. So it says here, this live video has ended, but stars shine on. Although this live has ended, we can still send stars to this video to support this guy called Rexzilla, and the creator will earn money from the stars that he receives. So in order to actually buy them, we have to look for this button here that says buy. And when we click on that, it actually gives us the option to buy. So the first offer it will give us is a discounted offer for a limited time. So we can actually get 99 stars here for just 80p. Instead of the usual 75 stars for 80p. So you can get a few more there if you're only looking to spend 80p. However, if you are looking to spend a bit more, you can scroll down to see the different amounts that they offer. And then once you've chose the amount that you want to buy, you just want to go ahead and click this button here, the buy stars for however amount. So from here, you can either choose debit or credit card or PayPal as the payment methods. So choose whichever one that suits you best. However, I'm just going to choose debit and credit card. And then from here, you'll have to just put in your card number, your expiry date, your CVV, your country or region, and also your postcode down here. And then once you have filled in those details, you can go ahead and click continue. And then from there, the purchase will be made. And then we can head back down into this bit again. And then from here, we can send those stars that we just bought. And then we can also add a comment in here and say whatever we like. So you could say something like, hey, I really like your content. Here's a little gift from me, or something like that. And then you can go ahead and send that to whoever the creator is. So that is exactly how you can buy and use your stars on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.